Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. Child, I done got the goods all in the camera. Hold on. So this is actually a continuation of a video that I posted yesterday, and it was all about the affordable clothing and all the fashions from a new up-and-coming retailer that I literally cannot escape, and that is TEMU. Honey, whoever is running the business, listen, advertisers on lock. I can't get away from on TV, on the commercials, the YouTube, everywhere. They everywhere, including this video. Honey, they partner with me because, and this is just me being honest, they know that with them being so new, so everywhere, and having such affordable prices, people are like, what's the tea? Like, what's the deal? Is this a scam? And so they partnered with me on this video because they was just like, listen, we have good stuff. We really believe in our business. We just want to get our name out there. So we're going to send you some stuff. You can do whatever you want in the video. You can say whatever you want. We just want people to see that, number one, our stuff is good, and number two, we are legit. So first of all, shout out to TEMU for sponsoring this video, because y'all know what sponsorships I get.
Donations, gifts.
Now, let's get into the business. TEMU is a big online marketplace, in case you're not familiar. So just think of it, like I said in the last video, kind of like a flea market, where they are the actual building, and then they have multiple sellers in there that's selling all the good stuff. Somebody might have some clothes, somebody might have some pet supplies, somebody might have some baby stuff. They have some of everything, including home decor, which is what this video is going to focus on. Yesterday's video was all about the fashions. This video is all about the house. And so they pride themselves on having really good stuff at an affordable price. And so right now they're having their spring sale where items can be up to 90% off. And for my subscribers, they have a link in my description box, as well as my pinned comment, where you can save up to 30% on your order by using code, and I gotta look at it because my mother memory is crap, GRAB382. So yes, use code GRAB382 on your order and you'll save an additional 30% off. And because they want to really hook the people up so that y'all can, it's pretty, listen, they like, if we hook you real good now, you get addicted, you keep on spending money with it, so we gonna give you a good sale. So for my video, they have actually allowed for an item of my choice to be 70% off for you all, and it is this vase set. Now the vase set does not come with the flowers are separate, but I wanted y'all to see it is a large and small vase set. And if you hear, it ain't plastic, baby. This thing is good. And so if you are interested in this, look at my pinned comment. You'll see a link and you can save 70% off on this item. All right, so now I handled the business. I told you who TEMU was. I done gave you a discount code, told you to click the link. Let me show y'all what I got. Y'all pop a squat, get something to drink. I'm gonna show you everything that I got in this particular haul. Now I will say, because they are so popular now, things are selling out like crazy. So some of the items that I'm gonna put at the very end that I picked, they were sold out on the day that I recorded this, but I'm still gonna link it just in case it does come back in stock. So with that being said, let's get into the goodies. So the first thing that I got from TEMU, I'm literally so obsessed with. Y'all know how motherhood is, where even if you focusing on yourself, you see something for your baby and you're like, I want that. That is exactly what I did. I was supposed to be focusing on the house, and so I got him something that is kind of for the house, but it's kind of not, but it's so cute. Okay, so it is a silicone placemat set. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen. So basically it's in the shape of a teddy bear. So this is his little placemat. I don't know, oh, it's so cute. And then it comes with a silicone bib as well. I thought that was so cute. And then it has a plate, a bowl, a cup with a straw, and then they do have an extra straw, and then it has a fork and a spoon. Now y'all know my baby is turning 1 next week. He's going on to big boy food and big boy milk and all of that stuff. So I thought that was really, really cute for him to have. It's like, he already been on table food, but to have that on his little hot, I thought, it's so cute. And for the price of it, it is $28.79 for the 8-piece baby kit. It does come in multiple colors. I just thought that the blue was so cute, so it's so adorable. Okay, now let's get into the home stuff for real. Now this number, listen, this thing was so freaking fire to me, and it is a decorative serving tray. It kind of get like that alligator look or whatever, but it's actually faux leather. It's green, but they do have multiple colors. I do like the gold handlebars as well, and then on the bottom it has like this velvet on. Like, when I say, I don't know if the camera is doing this justice. Not only is it put together really, really good, but it feels good to my hand. I was like, I don't know if I want to use this as like a table decoration, if I want to have it at the foot of my bed, if I want to use it for actual serving. But I just thought this was so freaking different and so cute. And the price of it, $29.48. They do have multiple colors in this as well, but it was just something about this green that just, oh my god, this is not the cutest little tray. I have a 24-piece table set. And I'm gonna tell y'all something. Originally, when I was starting home decor, like shopping and stuff, even outside of this project, I wanted a black table setting. But I got on TikTok and I seen Jackie Aina with all this gold in it. I was influenced. And so in this particular table set, they do have 4 items. So they have this little spoon right here. They have it in different colors, but I got the gold with the white handlebar. And then they also have this spoon as well. And then of course a fork and a knife. I thought that this was adorable, and for the price for all 24 pieces, it is $14.68. It is super sturdy. It's really heavy. Like, this is actually really good. Now of course I would have to continue to use it and use it just to see what the longevity and like all that is, but right now out of the package, this is this not the cutest thing? And then for my next purchase, I got some things for the bathroom. So just like, it's a 4-piece container set. It's plastic, but basically it's for storage for the bathroom. So think cotton swabs, Q-tips, anything that you would want to put like in your bathroom, and either in the closet or in a cabinet or something like that. And it does have this lid that you pull off. I have 4 of them. And it's really good plastic. Like, it's not something that I feel like if I fall, it's gonna shatter or something like that. Yeah, but for $40, $9.48. I feel like that's a good deal. Like, seriously, this is good, especially if you go to like the container store or something like that and compare the price. $9, yes. And then I got this gold tray. I am someone who loses their keys left and right, so I want to put this on my entryway table so I can put my keys in here so I know where they are. But as far as this, it's just like a little hexagon shape. It's gold painted. Kind of got like that tan sound to it. This is what it looked like on the bottom. As far as the price of this was $6.08. I feel like this is really comparable to something that you would find at like old school Pier 1 imports or something like that. Putting this on the table, you can even use this for the jewelry. I feel like this is really cute. And again, $6.08. $6 me, please. Now, for one of my favorite items that I got out of the home decor department was these donut ceramic vases. Now, the flowers don't come in it. I'll actually link the flowers as well because these did come from TEMU. But these are different vases they have. You can either just get one or you can get a set of 2. And so for me, I'm definitely thinking that when I put this on my end table, I can have one on each side and have the little hexagon circle dish in the middle. I feel like these vases are so cute. And then for the price is $9.89. Put this together. They do actually have other colors available. They have other sizes available. I feel like this vase is really cute. And again, this is the item that they're allowing you all to get for 70% off. And as far as the flowers go, these are some little flowers that I got from TEMU. The white one is $2.08, and then this green one, I don't have the price just because it's sold out, but I'll link it down below just in case it comes back. But I feel like together, like, you wouldn't look at this situation and think, oh, this is under $15 for all these pieces. Like, the vase is $9 and then throwing the flowers like $2 and some change. And I know this green one wasn't expensive either, but still, putting this together, this is really giving classiness without having to spend a whole lot of money. So yeah, this is a win. I also got this this little throw rug that I'm going to put at the foot of the bed in my guest room. So I have a blue velvet type material bed with gold bars around it, and I felt like this at the foot of the bed would be really cute. And so the price of this, it sells out really fast. Like, the last time I looked at it, it was sold out, but now it's back in stock on the site. So the price, $18.39. Like, you would never look at this and think this is less than $20. So yes, this is super affordable. It feels good to the touch. Like, you do have like little pieces of hair flying everywhere. Not like super much, like it ain't shredding or anything like that, but honestly, I feel like this was adorable, and it just adds a touch of personality to the bedroom. Now, I have 2 other things that I did buy for that bedroom, but they are sold out, so I don't have the pricing information, but I wanted y'all to see it. So the number 1 thing that I have is some canvas artwork for the wall. Now, keep in mind that I have a navy blue bed, and so I do have to get frames for these, but it is a 3-piece picture set. So I got this. Picture number 2 is this, and then this is number 3. Now, they all 3 came in the set together, so it was one price, but again, I don't have a price just because it's sold out. But I feel like this above a blue bed, yeah. Some other sold out things that I got was these lamps. I was gonna put these on the end tables in the bedroom next to the bed. So I just feel like this is really cute, but again, I don't have a price because it's sold out. So TEMU, y'all go ahead and bring that back. The quality of it, really good. Seriously, I cannot complain about anything that they sent me, like everything was well put together. I would never look at these items and think, like, not a single thing that I showed y'all today was over $30. Most of it was actually less than 20. And then the last thing was just like a cute little trinket that I got, and this is just a cell phone holder, so when I'm working I can just prop it up on the table next to me like that. It's in the shape of a little bear. They have multiple colors. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like a blush pink. That is my favorite color. I love me some pink. And the price on this, $4.19. I just thought this was a cute little something just to have to throw my phone on. But y'all, seriously, I cannot complain about anything from TEMU, whether it's the clothing or the house things. Now again, because it is one big marketplace with multiple sellers, not all sellers are the same. I would just say, just to be safe when you come to the shop, and make sure you're reading the reviews. But that is what I did. I made sure I read the reviews. I wanted a little bit some everything, like whether it was metal, whether it was for the kitchen. I wanted to get like a wide variety of things from a wide variety of sellers just to see what they had to offer. And everything that I'm linking in this video was top notch. So whether you're looking for some clothing, which is what I put in yesterday's video, or things for the house, TEMU will hook you up and you can save you a lot of money. So shout out to TEMU. Like seriously, everything was amazing. My favorite item, number one, I do love this so I can have my phone propped up when I'm working. But that green tray is giving very grown woman. Like I adore this tray. I don't know what I want to put on it, but it's gonna be something fire. So again, shout out to TEMU for sponsoring this video. Y'all make sure y'all take advantage of the spring sale where everything is up to 90% off. Make sure you use my code GRAB382, save you an additional 30% off. And if you're interested in the white vases, which is this item right here, go ahead and click the link in my pinned comment and you can save 70% off this. So again, shout out to TEMU. Y'all, if y'all was wondering what it's like, they actually are legit. They're providing really good products at a really affordable price. And right now, you know, people dealing with a recession, not everybody money is looking the same. So if you're looking for something affordable, go ahead and check out TEMU. You don't have to trade in quality just to save you a bucks. All right, so if you have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all. Maki Dada, and I'm out this piece, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. This is so